Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Slot500Club channel analytics. They have uploaded 313 videos. They now have 8.94k subscribers with a total view of 2,458,430 views. They are from US. They created their channel since May 25, 2020. The grade they got is B. They ranked at 224,637th in US. Next, the daily subs for Slot500Club is around 46 with a daily view of 9,561. Now let's talk about how much money they are making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 10,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $40. Then, monthly income will be $1,200. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $660 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $7,920. That is how much Slot500Club earns from YouTube.